Fire hums in the quiet room, screen still glowing in the gloom. A shape begins where none had been, a thought made real beneath your skin. Start with lines no one can see, a ghost inside geometry. Layer by layer it starts to rise, a form pulled out of coded lines. Plastic bones or resin skin, something raw is born within. And not yet metal, and not yet flame, but it already knows your name. Coated, maybe burn. Either way it has to earn. Hollow spaces, walls just right, built to face the coming fight. Every surface, every seam now must carry what you dreamed. There's no shortcut through the fire, only patience feeds desire. Every flaw you leave behind will be cast and amplified. From fire to flame, from spark to stone, you walk the path but stand alone. What you build, the fire will test. Only truth will pass the rest. In the heat you'll come to know what survives the molten flow. From the dark, from what you've made, something real begins to take shape. You build the channels, feed the flow, give the metal where to go. Every path a silent guide for the flood you can't divide. Then the dipping slow and steady, layered walls until it's ready. Dust in time again, till it hardens like a skin. Now it waits, a quiet shell, holding secrets it won't tell. Into heat when nothing stays, smoke and shadow drift away. What was solid disappears, leaving space for what draws near. Empty now but not undone, this is where it's just begun. A hollow shape, a fragile place, waiting for the molten grace. From fire to flame, from lost to gain, you give it form, you give it pain. What you built is stripped away, so something stronger gets to stay. In the glow, the truth is shown, you don't control it, you're just shown what you are and what will be. When it meets the fire you feed. Furnace roaring, breathing light, turning metal into sight. Copper bleeds and tin will bind. Liquid sun you cannot hold. Surface shifting, living gold. You read the heat, you read the tone. This is where we stand alone. Lift it steady, don't you break. Every second hours fade, then it flows a burning stream, filling every hidden dream. Through the paths that you designed, through the work you left behind. In that moment all is real, everything you tried to feel. Then silence, cooling metal, settling slow. What it is you'll never know, till you break what kept it whole, and reveal what fire wrote. Shell gives way, the dust falls free. There it stands in front of me, rough and raw but fully there. Born of pressure, time and care. Cut it loose, refine the line, bring respect the fire, and it will remember you. Fire hums in the quiet room, screams still glowing in the gloom. A shape begins where none had been, a thought made real beneath your skin. You start with lines no one can see, a ghost inside geometry, layer by layer.